Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to add name on lock screen on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now scroll down and tap on home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. Now on this page, just tap on lock screen settings. Now just tap on edit. Now on this page, just tap on the date option at the top of the clock. Now just tap on signature. Now from here, just enter your name right here. Just like that. Now from here, just tap on OK. Now just tap on the empty space on your screen. Now just tap on apply. And if you lock your smartphone and if you open the lock screen, you can see that we have successfully added our name to the lock screen. Just like that. And this is how you can add your name on lock screen on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.